Hi, how are you? I have a recipe for you guys today. It is my roasted shrimp salad. I'm kind of a shrimp fanatic, so anytime I can get some shrimp, I'm gonna go ahead and make it. Now, I really like this recipe because it's creamy. You know, me being from Mississippi, I really like mayonnaise, pasta salads. I love all that type of stuff that's creamy. So with this type of salad, it's kind of like a play on like a northern shrimp salad, but I make it my own and I make it more with the southern flair. We have peppers in here, we have jalapeno in here, all the really good things that add a little bit more, I don't know, more flavor to it or something. So come on, I want y'all to come and cook with me, and let's get this started. Okay, so what I have right here is a pound of deveined Texas shrimp. I love me some Texas Gulf shrimp. These things are humongous. Do you see that? They're big old shrimp. They're just huge. Look at that one, ginormous. And these aren't even colossal shrimp. It's some big shrimp. So all I did for these shrimps is I just peeled them and deveined them. Quick little process. And I just wanted to always make sure I rinse them out and make sure I get that little poop track. You know that little poop track that be right there in the poop zone? I need to make sure that that's gone. Can't have no poop in my shrimp, okay? I like it to be clean. Boom. There we have our shrimp. Rinse them off real good, get them clean, and set them to the side. But what we're gonna do now is we're going to toss these up in salt, pepper, and olive oil. Now you really want this to be seasoned up really good, so put a nice amount of salt on there and a nice amount of pepper on there, because this really is all the seasoning that you're gonna add to this whole shebang going on. So you wanna make sure the shrimp is seasoned so that way there's no blandness going on through it, okay? I'm out of actual olive oil, so I'm gonna use this Bertolli extra virgin olive oil spray. It's the same thing. This is one of my favorite dishes to eat when it comes to shrimp. I mean, I love shrimp in all formats, but something about it being in this creamy salad style is so good. It's just appetizing on a cold day, it's appetizing on a hot day. You know, it's just something that's a great go-to. So good. I have my shrimp mixed up. So from here, what we're gonna do is we're gonna roast this shrimp now. So I already preheated my air fryer over here. We're gonna put the shrimp in there for 400 degrees for 6 to 8 minutes, you know, just until they're cooked all the way through. A lot of people tend to boil their shrimp when it comes to making a shrimp salad. And I just feel like when you boil the shrimp, it loses a lot of its flavor, you know? So that way when you roast it, it still has that nice little shrimpiness to it, and it gets a really good texture to it as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this in the air fryer, okay? Shrimp's going. So let's make our little sauce mixture that's gonna be, okay. Let's make our little sauce mixture that's going, oh, my air fryer making noises. All right, so I have them combined in here. All of our vegetables. Got it? Vegetables. I'm gonna add a cup of Duke's mayonnaise. Come on, Duke. You know what? I probably should have used a bigger container. Good. Let me get a larger. Hold on. 1 capful of distilled vinegar. You need vinegar in anything that's mayonnaise based. I'm so sick and tired of y'all making your pasta salads and not putting no vinegar in them. It's like, come on, that's gonna make. We're gonna do 2 tablespoons of an orange. What I did to prep them was basically just roll them so that way you can get the juices flowing throughout them, and then just, you know, go ahead and slice them in half and get your goodies. So I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons. That's about 2 tablespoons right there. And let's go ahead and add the grated orange into here as well. This is gonna add a nice little vibrancy throughout the whole dish. Here is also where you wanna go. It scared me. Go ahead and add the Old Bay. Just a little bit. Okay, that's it. So what I like to do here is I like to go ahead and add my fresh dill. The fresh dill, all I did was just, you know, pluck it, chop it. Go ahead and give that a mix. It's ready. You wanna know a little secret I do right here? It's not in the recipe book. It's not in the recipe book. But what I want to do here is I want to go ahead and add my secret ingredient. Now I like fresh dill, but I also like, you know, this dill. I like this dill as well. The more dill, the better. All right, so here is our roasted shrimp. Delicious, fabulous. So let's go ahead and start assembling everything for our shrimp salad, okay? I'm gonna go ahead and add the shrimp to this little dish here. And what I like to do is I like to add the sauce to the shrimp because that way you can control how much you're putting in there. Maybe we don't need all this, you know? I think I made actually a little bit less than a pound. So this is for a pound mixture. This is a little bit less than a pound. It's just perfect consistency, it's beautiful. And go ahead and give that a mix. Just beautiful. I'm gonna show you guys how I like to eat this the most. Like, this is how I tear it up all the time. Is I like to get avocado, I already have it sliced here. And we're gonna get some slices of it and put it on our tortilla shell. This is a flour tortilla. I like just a plain flour tortilla. I like it simple. No corn tortillas. Corn for the right dishes, like if it's shrimp tacos or something. But as simple as this nice, creamy, delicious appetizer we have going on right here. Oh no. Avocado. And I like to go ahead and add some of this shrimp salad on top of it. Ooh. These are some big old shrimp I got up in here. Oh my goodness. That's how I love to eat it. I take a bite. It's perfection. Just perfection. Such a good taco format. Lightweight. Oh, it's so good. This is such a great, yummy recipe. I really want you guys to check it out and see if you like it. This is the roasted shrimp salad. This is on page 11 of my cookbook, EmLeeCooks, Southern Inspired Favorites and Pastas. So yeah, my name is Em. Turn your notifications on so that way you'll know when my cookbook comes out. You can check out my social media links. They're all down below as well, so you can get in tune to other recipes that I have that are already posted on, you know, things like Instagram and Facebook. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next recipe video. Bye.